Hey guys, welcome to DonRaph Alpha, where I teach you guys how to make money. Okay, lately I have been building on this particular software that will help us to track our transaction. First of all, welcome to a new month. This month of March is going to be sweet, and a lot of us are going to, make a lot of money. Let me not just call names, okay? But I know that we are going to make a lot of money. How are we going to do that? We are going to do that by implementing what I'm about to teach you right here, okay? Just imagine having an app that is running on Play Store or Apple Store, and this app is solving one problem or the other. Just imagine how much you are going to be making from your single app, and you are going to get everything done almost free of charge. Here we are going to start, practicing. This is not about teaching. We are going to start practicing step by step on what we should build in order to make money online. Okay, you can see I'm working on something, and I'm going to show you the result of what I have been working lately, and the result is somehow sweet, and you are going to love it. Okay, we are going to do a lot of things in this channel. That's the reason why I say that you should start joining us. Join this channel, okay? Do everything to turn on the notification so that anytime I drop video, you are going to enjoy it and be part of it. And what are we going to do right now? We're going to test it, and we're going to start our 7 days challenge, where we're going to be building software, we are going to be building apps, we are going to be building websites that can generate thousands of dollars for us. It's very simple to do. The only thing is getting the knowledge. And how are you going to get the knowledge? Getting knowledge is by following those that know what they are doing, and once you are following them, you are going to start making the same income they are making. Making money is very simple, but when you get the right tools and right information. So we are going to start by testing what we build. Okay, I just built this for just to show you that there's a lot where this is coming from. There's a lot. Just don't mind the language. This code you are seeing here, this code is the main thing that is going to give you what you are going to see right now. Okay, it's the code that's going to give you what you're about to see. So what I want to do right now, try and get laptop if you want to be part of this challenge. If you are serious about making money, if you are tired of scrolling every day online trying to get ways to make money, if you are tired of everything, all this, what you are going to do is, one, get a laptop. Second, get a good phone. Okay, get a good phone. If your phone can enter or go into internet, go and do a lot of research, you are good to go. Another thing is a good network. Okay, you can buy any SIM that is good, in providing network based on your area where you're based. Okay, so this is all you need, and this challenge is free of charge. You are not going to pay me any money in order to learn this. This is the reason why I'm asking you to join my group. Okay, join my group, join our WhatsApp group, where you are going to be seeing serious people there. Okay, and another thing you are going to do is join our Telegram, where I'm going to be dropping updates that will help you in the preparation. Another thing I want you to do is to make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell in this particular channel. Okay, join our social medias, WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, everything. Make sure you are everywhere we go. Okay, so guys, this is the thing we have been working on. Okay, this is it. We are working on this. So when you come to this particular let me just say, this is the local host. Okay, this is to test if it's working. You can see this is DonRaph here. Okay, this is DonRaph there, and this is the tracker. Okay, this is to track how much I'm making, how much I'm spending, where this money is coming from, where this money is going to. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So here is the dashboard. This dashboard tell me the total balance I have, which is 3,670. Okay, and this income 5K, and expenses is 1,330. Then the total amount, which is this one here, is what you are seeing here. So what this simple mean is that the total amount that I made in the February is this amount, and this is the expenses I did, and this is the total money I have in my savings right now. Okay, so this is it. You can see everything the way it is. Okay, so this is it, this is it, this is it. This is to show you that what you are doing here is working. You can see the tech, okay, where the money is going and where the money is coming. You can see it here. So here is the transaction here. The transaction, you can see the transaction here. Can you see that? Then another one is the my card here, and then this is good. Okay, emergency goal. So here is the analysis. So here is how the money is being coming and going. Okay, so this is the income. Okay, the green is income while the red is expenses. This is it, and here is it. How it's coming and going. So do you see everything? This is just a tip to tell you what is coming and what you are going to be learning. If you are in this group, in this channel, anywhere you find this video, make sure that you are in the channel and in the WhatsApp group, okay? Because we have a lot to tell you. Before I go, this is DonRaph speaking, and in this channel I talk about finance. I talk about how to make money online. I talk about how to make money with AI. I talk about how to make money with crypto. I talk about how to make money with your YouTube account. I talk about a lot of things. This is the reason why you should be in this group, because if you don't love this particular video, the next video I'm going to upload, you must love it. Okay, this is a promise to you, you must love it. So this is the reason why I say that you should start subscribing, turn on the notification bell, give me a sweet comment, share this video to other people, so that a lot of us that want to learn can start learning. And one thing about life, when you help someone to learn how to do something, that help you help that person is going to come back to you in thousandfold. So this is the best opportunity for you to help someone that need help. How are you going to do it? It's very simple. You are not paying money for this. Share this video. Tell people that we are getting started. Okay, we are getting started, and then we are going to start 7 days workshop. Okay, 7 days workshop where you are going to learn a lot on how you can code. Very simple. And the beauty of this is you are not going to do anything. The AI is going to do everything for you. You will be sitting somewhere and monitoring the work. The one to approve, you approve it. The one that you don't need to approve, you let it go. Why are you wasting time? Let's start making money. There's a lot of money to make this 2026. Believe me. So guys, see you guys at the top. Okay?